well, it's a little one, a little update on this. I just changed the pulleys. This is the old one. It's a big 10-inch, and I can prove it to you guys. This is 10-inch here, and it's got a little drop of blood because in the process I kind of busted my finger. I can't. Anyways, yeah, it's missing a lot of meat on my finger, so yeah. This is the hood. It's in good shape. I fucked up the wiring there yesterday. Sorry about. Yeah, but whatever. Yeah, this is the hood. This is the tractor. It's got a giant transmission. But anyways, yeah, just got the battery in there. It's not probably in there, but anyways. And the engine, it's of course, out of 12. And I got this little pulley switch there that starts the engine. So just wire it directly to the starter with little pieces of wire. Whatever it works. So I put a little, well, not little, but I got a 4-inch in the house I'm gonna put on, but I gotta mount like a kind of, I don't know how to describe it, but I got another clutch system because as you can see, the belt is rubbing on there, right there. It's rubbing, and it's gonna fucking go there. It's good, so that's the tranny. It's pretty damn beefy. But anyways, yeah, so this is the clutch system, just a simple thing, and put some grease fitting out there. You can't see them, but there's one in the back too. But anyways, I'm gonna take this Sears for a ride. I think it's a Sears LP's, and so I'm gonna flip that little switch. Oh, turn on the gas because it's like a cold start. Never got started. It's cool.